Hey guys, it's Azad. I'm with Brad. Congratulations on your new rental property. How does it feel?
Feels great. It's amazing. It's awesome. I love it.
Just a few things, Brad. I know you've been with us for maybe a year, or has it been a bit less?
A little bit less. I think about 6 months or so.
Oh wow.
Maybe.
Yeah, I know when you contacted me, there was a bit of a shock factor when we had our initial chat.
Yeah.
Because you're in a situation, you were driving a very nice car. What kind of car were you driving?
It was a 2017 Range Rover.
Oh gosh. And I had to tell Brad, if you want to move forward, you may have to make some decisions. And what was that decision you had to make?
It was to sell the Range Rover to get rid of the car payments and the car debt there.
Holy smokes. And you know what, I want to say congratulations on that, because it's hard to do, but now within 6 months, you've already bought your first rental property.
Yep.
And I think the numbers roughly, we're thinking it's going to cash flow around $300 per month.
Yeah.
And we definitely know the mortgage is getting paid down $700 a month.
Yeah.
So instead of that massive car payment going out each month, now you're actually creating wealth, how does that feel?
That feels much better, to be honest. And it was definitely hard to get rid of the Range Rover because I was very emotionally attached to that. So,
yeah.
But you know what? Sometimes you got to take one step back to take 2 steps forwards.
And I need to tell everyone out there, Brad just got back from Mexico, and before you left, you weren't getting impatient at all, but that's the way the market is right now. We're waiting on properties to come on.
Yeah.
And you were going to Mexico, and you sent me a text saying, if you see something, can you jump on it for me?
Yeah.
And so how did you come to that? Because I want people out there to see that if you do come to the training and you do look at our material, you're so comfortable that you could tell me that. Like just jump on a property for me. I got no problem with you making a decision.
Yeah, because I think when you get into this investments and stuff, you want to have a team that you trust and build your team around that and have a strong team. And finding Tim and Azad has been excellent, and really I put all my trust in them, and they've been great in everything that their knowledge and all that stuff. So
beautiful.
It's been excellent.
Yeah, and now we've got one property. Now this property does need a little bit of work, which we didn't want to put you in that situation because you've got a young family, of course.
Yeah.
But the value of this, we know it's going to increase roughly $40,000 once you make it a legal suite and do the upgrades. Right. How does that feel? And knowing that within another 6 months, you'll be on your second property.
Yeah, it's amazing. And it's amazing how quick it can happen. Like once you get all your ducks in a row, it's great just to have a great team around me and help me do through all this stuff. So it's been an excellent process.
Awesome. Well, I hope that helps everybody out there that may have to make tough decisions. I mean, Tim and I have had to tell people that they have to go get a job before we get them into investing. Yeah. I mean, for you, it was a car, but sometimes it's tough decisions. I hope this helped everyone. If it has, and you have a young family out there, you'll know what that's like. No problem. Subscribe below to our channel to get all the new tips, tricks, and strategies for investing in real estate.